Mga kaibigan, just to continue it all about, we have here taking coffee from our meal right now, mga kaibigan. Just to be understand on it. That we receive a lot of bad comments out there. It is because of those legitimate operations and the legitimate responding incident or the crime incidents within our city, mga kaibigan. As of this time, I would like to say all about you here that the work of the police is not to kill for somebody out there. The work of the police is to respond and to protect the community and the peaceful and to maintain a camaraderie of the people in the community, mga kaibigan. That is the work and the legitimate responsibility of the police, especially here in the country. That was mandated by our Philippine constitutions. But we need to consider a lot of things in order to be understand, in order to avoid and protect from the dangerous and the hostile people out there. And also, we need to understand those people is so aggressive that they do not like a police, and he like it to kill a police. So, as a police officer, the first duty in themselves is to protect against those imminent danger in their life. As a police officer, we have life. We are not a robot. We are a man. So, as to the responding in any incident that involving a dangerous man, so we need to back up mindset out there that we are carrying a firearms. If there is, we are on that responding incident or the crime incident that would happen in an area of responsibility, that this person is so aggressive and very dangerous and very hostile out there, mga kaibigan, and he like it to kill the police and they don't have respect to the police itself, they will be going to protect themselves as a self-defense, to shoot them and kill. Even they are carrying and the small types of deadly weapons. It is all about to protect our themselves as a police officer of this country. How the police officer upholding the constitutional condition and protecting and advocating the human rights of this country if those people who are out there, they don't have respect the human rights of this country. That is all about. So those people out there, which is the civilian in character, mga kaibigan, or the civilian itself, that they do not understand this understanding of law, that we will going to protect ourselves against those dangerous person out there. That is the principle of responding an incident, mga kaibigan, in order for you to understand. Especially, the police was run for almost 400, more or less 400 to 500 meters in order to do not shoot that kinds of very aggressive man will be responded, mga kaibigan. And then, he followed it, carrying 2 bolos in order to kill the police. The police, they don't think to kill on that person because they will want to neutralize. But, when time has come that the victim, they did not survive in the hospital, and then you blame the police. Yes, of course. Because police is a public servant, protector of the weak, protector of the helpless. But this person is under of any influence of what do you call this, liquor or maybe drugs itself. because it comes into the different types of depression in their life, and then they will abuse and harass their own family, and then the police will be responded on that incident. And then sad to say, we will be died, or he will be died, mga kaibigan. So that's why you can understand, you civilian, you know what is the work of the police? The heavy in heart. No, mga kaibigan? We are carrying a lot of responsibilities of this country in our shoulders, in ourselves, to protect the people in the community, not the money that received from our earned salary. That is all about. Who among you here to protect our boundaries and territories and our law, especially the people? Who are you that they do not know who are you to be protected? But the police and the army is evil and willing to sacrifice themselves to serve and protect our community and our country as a whole is our nations. The state was be protected by the police force and the military force under of our Philippine constitutions. For your information, we are not by that kinds of, in order to killing that kinds of violators. But there is an arrogant and very dangerous to the life of the forces, especially the police responding of that incident. And then if one of those people who responded that, and then I am willing to shoot you and kill, period. What do you want? You go to the human rights, you go to everywhere, because you're claiming that when the police killed by this terrorists, by this drug lords and etc., the bad people out there, there is no human rights by the police. What do you mean is that? Yeah. So that's why be careful. We don't have enough rights to have that kinds of responsibility. But when our life is under in imminent danger, and then that's the time we will face for the consequence of our doing as a police officer of this country. Thank you so much, all the Filipino people.